Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about how we can sum numbers in an array in JavaScript. How can I sum numbers in an array in JavaScript? So this is an example of an arrow function. I can even see this arrow. This is an example of an arrow function in JavaScript. I could also write my function like this. So it could be either way. You could write it like you could also write it like this, right? So you could write a function like this. It could be that way, right? It could be that way. Um, well, let me stick with the arrow function. So this arrow function, it needs to take in a parameter. So I'm naming my parameter array. So we need to know the numbers. So the array is the container, right? So it needs to take in a parameter the container. Since I'm summing up the array, obviously needs the container for me to sum it up. Then it also needs the length. So it needs the number of things that I am summing up. The total, the length of things, the size of things, right? Maybe there are three numbers in the array. So it needs to know if there are actually three numbers or there are five numbers there. But the thing is because this is JavaScript, there's an inbuilt function called .length. So I do not need to put in um, length in this parameter. So we just move on. So I'm declaring total as 0 because we don't know the total number. So let's just assume you have 5, 6, 5, 6. The total number of 5, 6 is 11 when you sum them, right? When you sum them, 5, 6 is 11. But as it is, we don't know the numbers. So let's just say let x equals to 0. Let total equals to 0 because we are finding total. We don't know, right? So we'll do a for loop, right? Um, let I equals to 0, I less than array dot length I plus 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 plus. So this is a for loop. So this is the initialization phase. This is the starting phase. So say that I equals to 0. So this I equals to 0 is like the index. So the first number is at index 0. That's what basically is saying. That first number, we're starting from that one. We're starting from that first number at index 0. So as if I is less than the array dot length, so if I is less than the size, the length size, if this condition is true, then it should just keep incrementing I plus plus. The index keeps moving. It just keeps looping through. So it moves from the first number to the second number to the third number. So it's just incrementing. That's the point of the plus plus. So we'll do a little calculation here. Um, so just say total equals to total plus array array at index I or at index I. Yep. So next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to return total. So I'm going to explain this guy very soon. You understand what it means very soon. So the next thing we'll do here is name the array now. State the numbers. So let me assume the number is 4, 7, 8. Just to keep things very simple. Let's assume that we have three numbers in our array. Three numbers in our array. By the way, I could even just write it as I is less than 3. I could write it as I is less than 3, but just, let's just use this dot length. But I will still show you that we'll still get the same answer. So let's this variable, let this container have these things inside of it. 4, 7, 8. So what's 4 plus 7? 11. 11 plus 8, 19. So now do results. Let result equal to so we'll call the function we did, which is sum, and it's taking array. So this one, so that's what I passed in here. And see that it's clicking. So when I now do console.log and I log the results, you will see that these numbers would have added up and you see 19 as the results. You see 19 as the results. Can you see 19 as the result? So let me explain the whole thing to you now. So what is happening here is that we've done this for loop. So this total is we are starting like you're playing a game and there's no winner. Nothing is happening, right? 0 0. That's the way it is 0. So now say total equals to total plus array at index I. So it's like saying 0 plus array at index I. Array at index I is 4, right? Array at index I is 4. This is 4. Array at index I, that's the starting point, which is 0. So this is 0. So this array at index I, array at this index is 0. Array at this index is, oh, I made a mistake. Array at this 4 is 0. Then this index here is 1. This index here is 2. The one at 8 is 2. So you have 0 1 0 1 2. So total equals 0. 0 plus array at index I, which is 0, that's the starting point. But we now look at the number. What number does it fall under? It falls under 4. So it is like saying 0 0 plus 4, which is this 4. And that is why you have 4. So the total number will be 4. Then it now loop through again. This one will not be 0 anymore. This I will not be, this is like, it now be like I equals to 1, sort of. So this will now move to the second number. So it now be the total number that is 4. It will now be 4 plus array at index I again. So that I is like index 1. So this 7 is the 1. So we now do 4 plus 7, which is 11. So the total number is now loop through again. So this I now, it now be like I equal to 2, right? It now be like I equals to 2. Then the total number that is 11, now 11 plus array at index I, that's like saying array at index 2. And what number is array at index 2? Array at index 2 is 8. Is 8. So it now be like 11 plus 8, which we have as 19. So I'm going to show you something. I'm going to show you something how this loop, or what I just said now, you will see it in the so the sum of the numbers so far. So this percent %d is a format specifier, so it's for numbers. I could write percent %i too, right? So let me just run this guy. So can you see the sum of the numbers so far is 4. So that's 0 plus 4 at index I at index 0 plus 4. That's 0 plus 4. Now look through again. 4. It's now like 4 plus at index 1, which is 7. That's why you have 4 plus 7. So the sum of the numbers so far is 11, which you can see here. Then now 11 plus at index 2. 11 plus at index 2, what number does it fall under? It falls under 8. That's why you have 11 plus 8. Some of the numbers so far is 19. And that's how we have 19 here. So that's simply how we can sum numbers in an array. I can even, this array dot I is less than array dot length. I could have written it as 3 actually. Yeah, I could have written it as 3. Let's see if we will still get the same number. Let's see if we arrive at the same um yeah, we're still correct. Arrive at the same this thing. But it's more professional to use the dot length because in this instance or scenario I gave only three numbers. You could have array that possibly could be 10 numbers, 20 numbers, and you don't want to start counting them one by one like this, one by one like this. How many, how many, how many? So it's just proper to use the dot length. That's why I use the dot length um, function. Yeah. So that's simply how to sum numbers in an array in JavaScript. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. If you know another method or you have some few words to say about this video, please feel free to comment. Thank you so much for watching, and you also share the video too as well, because the more you watch it and the more you share, the more you know it, the more you teach it too as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.